Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to fund your account on Exchange LBank using the USDT TRC20 method. In previous videos, we taught you how to open and verify your account on this exchange. Now, to fund your account, you need to go to the Assets section and click on the Deposit option. On the next page, you need to select the token or currency you want to use to fund your account, and then in the following section, choose the network for that token. In this tutorial, we are using the TRC20 network. The minimum deposit amount is 0.01 USDT, and 6 confirmations are required for the deposit to be approved. After selecting the network, the destination address will be displayed to you. Open your wallet app on your mobile phone. Select the desired currency, which is USDT on the Tron network, and click on Send. In the first field, enter the destination address, and in the next field, enter the exact amount you wish to deposit. Or you can simply scan the displayed QR code by clicking on this option and complete the deposit process. Click on Next. On the next page, the sender address, recipient address, transaction fee, and total amount will be displayed to you. After clicking on Confirm and entering your password, the payment will be processed. After completing the transaction, on this page you can click on the More Details option to view more details about your transaction on the TronScan website. After a few minutes, you will be able to see the deposited balance in your wallet. To view the details of this transaction, you can also scroll down to the bottom of the deposit page and see the transaction details in this section. This was the tutorial on how to fund your account using the TRC20 Tether method on Exchange LBank. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.